You can expect a lot from the 2016 Chrysler Town & Country. This 7-passenger van still has less than 10,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include power front seats, a built-in garage door transmitter, a power liftgate, a roof rack, and more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate, no matter how far the drive. Chrysler also prioritized safety and security by including brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing a comprehensive certification process, including a rigorous 125-point inspection. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.